Sarah here with WTI.
Have you ever gotten yourself in over your head on a project that you thought you could do, but when you're in the middle of it, you're just like, I think I'd rather be dead than continue to do this? Well, we did that, but we had this handy dandy roller toolbox to help us out, and it was so handy and so lovely to have around. There was no fighting about where's my hammer, I thought you had my hammer, I can't find my saw, where did I put my saw? Because all of our tools were right here, right where we needed, rolling around with us. So there's a lot of things that I love about this tool bag. One thing is how well it's made. I have a lot of weight in this thing, and I lift it up, I carry it around, I roll it around, and none of it seems like it's going to give out on us. It's so strong and sturdy. All of the stitching is very strong. I love that it has about a cajillion pockets in it, so you can keep it organized in any way that you see fit for whatever job you're doing. I also love that it's got Velcro all the way around the lid, so you know that your stuff is in there and it's secure, so that whether you are holding the top of this or whether you're rolling it around, everything is secure inside. And I could fit so much in this thing. All of the tools that we needed for our flooring project were well kept in this bag. I really was impressed by the capacity. We could fit so many tools in here, even tools that we didn't need for this particular project. If we just needed to put some stuff away so that we could go to bed and tackle it the next day, everything fit well and secure and organized in this bag. I want to brag a little bit about how smooth it is to pull and push around and how sturdy it is. I have it packed full of tools, and still it was very easy to buckle up, lift the lid, and you could push it and pull it anywhere you needed to go.
And that's my point of view.